Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 68. A mathematic test has a 4:2 ratio of data analysis problems to algebra problems. If the test had 18 algebra problems, how many data analysis problems are there on the test? So we have the ratio, right? So this problem will be the ratio, equality, or proportion when you set one ratio equal to another ratio. So now we say we have 4, okay? 4, start with 4:2 ratio, which is data analysis problem to algebra problems, okay? So data analysis is, let's call it D for data, and then algebra, let's call it A. So we have 4/2, okay, 4D/2A. So now we will set up equal the ratio, okay, on the top will be question mark because that is the data, right? So we can do data here. How many 18 algebra problem we have, okay? So now we see if we divide both sides by D, we take off the D. If we multiply both sides by A, we take off the A. So we just have the ratio of 4/2 that equal the question mark over 18. And our unknown is the question mark, right? So now we have to solve for this one. Remember, if we have A over B that equals C over D, okay, in this case our unknown is at C positions, so we can take C out, equal the A times D over B, okay. So our question mark will be equal to 4 times 18/2, okay. So 18 divided by 2 is 9, okay, so we can simplify this one as 4 times 9 times 2/2. Then we cancel this one, and then we have 4 times 9 is 36. We also can set this one up based on the conversions formulas. Look like this. So we have 4 data. It will be go to 2 algebra problem, right? Now we will have 18 algebra problem. How many data analysis problem will be? So we'll cross multiply, divide by the rest. Remember that one? Okay. So we cross multiply and then divide by the rest. You can do either way, okay? So the question mark in this case will be 18 times 4/2 is still 2 times 9 times 4/2, and it's still equal 36. Okay, if we solve, so this one is kind of like the proportion, right? So this is the first one. The first method we use is the proportions. This one is we use the conversions method, and then we can use the third one, which is this one imply the directly proportional, right? So we have, okay, we have A that equal 2, right? When D equal 4. Okay, now A go to 18. Okay, what is D go to? Because this one is directly proportional because this is the ratio. See that ratio? So directly proportional saying if one variable increasing, another will be increasing with the same factor, right? So we have 2 go to 18 by multiply by 9. Okay, so for 4, you will increase the same, right? The same factor of 9. So that will be 4 times 9 that equal 36. So whatever is easier for you, just use it. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.